Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video right next to the photo mode, and since it is, let's say, in the middle, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we are on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, and basically, as you can see, we did not really have to change the mode, because after scrolling down you can see that here we've got the video section, but that's okay. So let's tap on video resolution, and as you can see, the resolution is divided between two different cameras, so the front camera and rear camera. So let me pick, for example, this one, and as you can see right here we've got only two different resolutions. Currently we've got full HD and with 1080p, but we can set also the HD with 720p, and as you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied. It is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution. In the front camera actually it is the same, but I highly recommend to stick to the FHD option with 1080p, because it is the best possible here, of course. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.